Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet to another video. Yes, I'm outside. Yes, I've been missing in action, MIA, and the reason why I have been missing in action is because as this world is going into all this craziness in 2020, a lot of things were thrown off, and everybody's been thrown off by it, right? You know that there's things going on in this world and there's chaos everywhere. Honestly, is not everywhere, but certain spots. And the most important thing that you need to know is that we're gonna be okay. Like everything else, we're gonna get through this. Now, I wanted to create this video, and this is 5 affiliate marketing tips for beginners. And the reason why is because if you stay until the end of this video, I have an announcement to make. And one of the reasons why I haven't uploaded is not only the craziness, but as you know, I also work a full-time job, and I have a 5-month-old baby up to this point. Parenthood changed you a lot, and I want to spend more time with my baby, and that's the reason why I started my online business. Because as she grows up, and gets older, I want to be there for everything. I don't want to miss anything because of work. So this is a process. It takes a while, and that's one of the things that I want you to understand, that it takes a while to have an online business that is actually successful. Not just make a few sales here and there. You need to be consistent with that too. So in this video, I also want to explain to you the fact that having uploaded, because we're in the middle of moving. I live in the northeast in United States, and we're moving to southeast very soon. It's only a matter of weeks. That's why it's been a lot of back and forward with trying to upload videos, but I haven't because of it. So hopefully by the end of August, I will be able to consistently start posting like I was before. But this is very critical, and I wanted to release this video because I've been working on this for a long time, and I don't want to go more weeks without giving it to you. But first, we gotta get into these tips, because if you follow these tips, these 5 affiliate marketing tips for beginners, and you add that to the end of this video, that's gonna become the very foundation that you guys need. So yes, I make a little bit of my notes because sometimes I forget. So one of the things that you need to do as a beginner is you need to publish. And if you don't publish, you are not going to succeed on this business. Yes, you might think that you need to have a blog post, a YouTube channel, an Instagram account. You need to have a home base for everything, and you need to publish consistently. And the fact of the matter is, without publishing, nobody's gonna know who you are. Yes, there's programs out there that sell themselves, but you need to publish. You need to have people that get to know you, because people sometimes don't buy the product because of the product. They buy it because they believe in your message, believe in you. So that's one of the things that you need to do. And with publishing comes a trial and error. You have to be, and the second one is you have to be okay with sucking at it. You are going to suck. You're okay to suck. We all suck at everything, especially when we're just getting started. If you look at my videos, the first few videos, I have no idea what I was doing. I was actually lost, completely lost. And you know what? I said, I just gotta upload. And a lot of people, that's what they do. They are going to upload, and it doesn't matter if they're terrible. But if you do it consistently, you're gonna find your voice. And there's podcasts that, like Russell started his podcast, and he just figure I might as well doing it, and he wasn't very good at it at first. And if you look at him right now, he goes in public speaking like nothing, and then to get to that level, you need to be okay with sucking up first. A lot of these guys that I follow, like Steven Larson and all those guys, they show their first videos, so that they started somewhere, but they got better at it. That's what you need to do, and that goes tied with number 3, which is endure enough that you get noticed eventually. And that happens because, remember, you gotta suck up first. People are gonna jump out of your videos. They're not gonna read your blog post because it's not that good. Your Instagram posts are not that good, and people are not gonna click like and share, and it's okay. It's okay. It can take a while, all right? And one of the examples in the traffic book that I read, the Traffic Secrets book from Russell, was one of the pages said that you always going to find certain shows, and you're not gonna go through them until you find them in season 5. maybe season 4. Maybe somebody tells you. I can tell you, for example, that Stranger Things, which, a TV show, we didn't see it until season 2. We completely missed season 1 because we had no idea, and other people saw it and they said, you know what, that will be a good show for you guys to watch. Now, Game of Thrones was another show that was international, blowing up. I didn't see it until season 5. My wife didn't start seeing it until season 6. So that only shows you that, yes, you can upload, post hundreds or thousands maybe, and people are not gonna see them, but eventually people are gonna notice, and then that's what you need to endure. The very beginning is hard. People are not gonna like it, people are not gonna notice you, people are not gonna share, but just keep doing it. You're gonna get better. You gotta remember, first you're gonna suck. So that's good that a lot of people are not actually gonna watch those videos, because they're gonna say, well, wait a second, what a different guy, right? And that's the process. That's what you need to understand. That's what you need to endure. The next one is you gotta learn and apply. And as you're going through the process, you gotta learn different tricks of the trade, how to do the videos, how to do the posts, how to make better posts for any social media outlet out there. So you have to learn, and then you apply it. Okay, it's not just like a lot of people do. They learn something and then they forget about it. Okay, and then they go and keep doing the same thing over and over. And that's the reason why you see the video. I'm actually outside to where I live. I'm in the patio, and it's a different environment, right? It's not always like, look in the computer what I'm doing, follow me over, my shoulder, or look at the board and this is what you do. You always need to change your environment, and that's one of the reasons why I'm moving, because I need to change my environment. This is no longer good for me, and this is no longer good for my family. I want my kid to, enjoy life in a different way. And that's why we are taking the chances. That's what you're doing for an online business. You are taking a chance and you want to get better, right? And when you do that, then your life is going to change. And maybe you won't be making thousands upon millions of dollars, but just the fact that, you're doing this, you're improving yourself, you're learning and applying, is gonna make you much, much better. But the final tip, and it's the 5th one, is you gotta be okay with the failures, because you will fail more than when you succeed, and over and over and over. I see it in other videos. I see other people always talking, we try to promote this product, right? We launched this product and we were investing $100,000. We were expecting millions and millions of dollars to come back, and nothing ever happened. So Russell also shared a video about him. He went on a 10x for Grant Cardone, and he actually wasn't able to make the same sales that he made the year prior. He failed completely. That's a guy that knows what he's doing, and he's still failing. Steven Larson talks about his failures, and you will fail a lot, but if you don't give up, if you keep pushing through, and then you take these 5 affiliate marketing tips for beginners that I'm giving you right now, you learn that there's certain tricks that will make you better, right? And I'm sorry about that, I put my hand right there. But it's one of those things that this is how it works. And just take these 5 tips seriously, write it down. I will write it down and put it in front of my computer to see it every day. Like when you upload something and you see that no one like it, nobody share it, don't get discouraged. Move on to the next one, and then see what were the mistakes on those videos. What exactly were you missing on the message, right? Because sometimes we try to teach people stuff, and in our minds it's very clear, but then again, in others people views, they don't understand it, so you try to simplify the message, okay? And that's what you need to do. So take very seriously these 5 affiliate marketing tips for beginners. Now, why I keep repeating that? Because I want the computers at YouTube to know that this video is for 5 affiliate marketing tips for beginners, okay? So I want the algorithm to understand that this video is for beginners, but there's 5 affiliate marketing tips for beginners, and that's one of the tricks that I learned recently, watching other people's videos, okay? So with that being said, guys, listen, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button. Go check my other videos that I have posted. I created a series for clickbank and 4 video series. Check it out, because if you want to start promoting clickbank products, maybe that series of 4 videos will help you. But this is the big announcement, okay? I told you weeks and weeks and weeks ago that I've been working on my affiliate marketing training, okay? And it's for complete beginners, and I call it the Affiliate Marketing Foundation Training. Because no, my training is not gonna show you how to make $100,000 tomorrow. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme. No, this is not for you to think that because you finish the course you will become richer. No, this is the foundation, and there's things that I've seen in the world going on right now. There's things that I've seen other people posting, and the main word that always comes up is foundation. And you need to understand that the foundation for everything is the most important thing, because if you skip putting a good foundation, if you skip that critical step and you just jump into try something without having a foundation, everything's gonna crumble. And if you think about it logically, when you build a house, if somebody's gonna build a house, the foundation is the most critical step, because without it the house is gonna fall off. If you're trying to do a house at the beach, then you need a strong foundation, because if you want front end, the waves are gonna come in. And I saw that in a couple of videos where the guy built his house right on the front of the ocean, and there's a lot of storms that come up. He created a very strong foundation with everything that took years to build, right? Years to build. But he doesn't have to worry if a hurricane comes, because his house is reinforced. Even if it takes the top, the foundation will be there. He can rebuild the house. And that's what you need to know. And the reason why I tell you this is because TikTok is being banned. A lot of people were going, millions and millions of views on TikTok, and they were talking about TikTok is the best thing in the world. Without TikTok, your business is not gonna go. Guess what? It's getting banned. It was banned in Iran. I think it's another country that's getting banned. The US is putting a ban on it because of all the things going on, and all the people that blew up their TikTok right now, they're losing that part of their business. And guess what? A lot of them are freaking out because they went posted on TikTok, they have a foundation, and now they're freaking out because they lost their business. Same thing happened with Amazon. People were posting blog posts, doing videos and doing reviews on Amazon things and products, but they didn't create a foundation. So when that came up, they're starting to freak out because they lost millions and millions of dollars. But if you create a strong foundation for your business, it does not matter what happens. Will not matter, because even if that goes away, you have a strong foundation. You just gotta build from that one, put it on your foundation, and you're gonna rebuild again, and it's gonna take you a lot less time. But if you bring the strong foundation right now, even if it takes you 6, 7, 8 months, whatever it is, then you will be okay with anything that happens in this world. Nothing is gonna be able to take your business away. And look at all those people that have the big online businesses. They are okay because they worry about a strong foundation from the beginning. They didn't worry about making millions of dollars from the start. So when all these fail right now, they have a strong foundation to just jump into the next one and then the next one. That's what you need to know. I hope that you like my training. It's gonna be in the first comment in the comment section. Is gonna be my pinned comment. I'm not gonna put it in the description. I'm gonna put it on the comment section. So I'm gonna upload this video. It's probably gonna take me a couple minutes to get all this going, and just check on the comment section. Please leave me comments. Please reach me out. My email is onlinemarketpreneur@gmail.com. I'm gonna leave a link on the description to my email account. Man, you guys have any questions, you can reach me out. I explain everything. One last thing before I go is that don't forget to go to your email, check your spam, because when you sign up on my landing page, it's gonna send you a notification email. I need you to sign up to get the emails and the structure that I built for this training. Otherwise, you're not gonna get the videos, you're not gonna get the emails. And I want you to understand that when you put the foundation first, everything else is just gonna fall into place. If you find something confusing about the videos, or you didn't I had some beta people going through it, and they really like it. They seem to understand the entire training. If you have any problems, please don't be afraid to reach out. Look me up on Facebook too. I will be easier for me to go either in my email or Facebook, so I can talk to you guys about the training. And hopefully in a few more weeks I can come back and keep building this more and more, put more videos out there. Like I say, I'm in the middle of a lot of things going on right now, but go to the comment section, and the first pinned comment section is my training, and all the explanation is there. So with that being said, guys, please stay safe. Second, don't give up. If you're in the middle right now and you're like, I don't really want to do this anymore, this suck, or I suck at it, it's okay. With just 5 affiliate marketing tips for beginners, you guys are gonna be okay. So with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video.